at FREYS Mill. Tennessee. Doing the Greg Kelly's log home, and this is the mill where we're having all the logs and the timbers, rafters, and the beam floor system done. This is Greg Kelly's Survivalist Log Home, Tellico Plains. This is Terry's shop here. We're going to go up and look at some of the beams and logs being milled. We have a bunch of them on the site. We're putting up the beam floor system over the basement. So he's going to have an all decorative floor system right on the first floor overlooking the basement. Now the decorative 2x tongue and groove right over top of his basement ceiling. So it's going to be kind of different than most of the log homes as a running conventional framing over the basement. But we'll go up here and we'll take a look and some photos of the logs and stuff being milled. Patriot Log Home Builders in Tennessee, doing the Survivalist Log Home series for Greg Kelly.